Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
Yeah! I'm going to show you.
I have picked up at Home Depot a couple of lights. Actually, I bought 5 of them. And wanted to show you the difference between these two, although they look the same. One has a motion sensor. And that would be this one right here. You can kind of see it down here. There's a little sensor there that comes with it. That'll turn the light on when it senses motion within something like 10 feet. Let's go ahead and do kind of an unboxing here and show you what these are. I had never seen them before. They may have been around for a while, I don't know. But to me it's an upgrade. Here it is. It comes with some hardware here, I'll show you. A little hardware there, and this, well, it's a little plug thing right here if you can see it, with some wires on the back side. But I may need to use those later when I go to install this light. Now if you'll look here on the back, it has it's just like a light bulb. It screws in. And this recessed area around here, if you have the right kind of fixture, it will cover the fixture and screw right in just like a light bulb. And the only difference, like I say, with this one was $6. This was $6 cheaper. This was $20 without the motion sensor. I'm going to go ahead and put some up and let you take a look. Okay, I'm going to get right to it here and take down this old fixture because I want to try to mount one of these lights right flush with the ceiling. It was a little warm, so I changed out into my grandpappy corner. I'm going to go ahead and get this taken off of here, like so. And I turned off the power. This might be the original fixtures that came with the house. I'm not an electrician, but what I'm doing is showing you what I'm doing. I'm not telling you how to do anything. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and speed things up here as I go ahead and get this hardware wired up. And there's a mounting plate also that needs to get screwed up here with a couple of screws. So I got that plate on there. Then I've got to take this cover off the fixture here so I can get some access to the screws to tighten them up. So that should give me some access to the inside of this. Now I'll go ahead and screw this on here. I'll go ahead and speed things up here as I get this, try to get this mounted. I have to get it lined up with the 2 screws. And then once I do, then I need to tighten those up. There's one, and here's the other one. Put this on here, like that. Now I'll go turn on the power and we'll test it. So here's another one I did where it actually screwed right into the light fixture. I don't really care for that too much. What I really like is the way that one works for me, the one I just did that mounts flush to the ceiling. So this one here, I'm going to go ahead and fix it up so it's just like that one over there. Okay, here it is mounted to the ceiling. I showed you once, so there's no sense in showing you how to do it again. Plus I mounted this other one here, flush mounted to the ceiling, ready to go. Okay, let's see when the motion detector will kick in. Starting up the stairs. It's supposed to be like when you're 10 feet away. Oh, there it is. And that one kicked on. Got another one up here. There it went. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Thank you for coming to the corner today. And hey, I just wanted to say, do something nice for someone today. Love you.